Hello, good morning students. How are you? Today I am going to prepare a video on writing messages from grammar and this chapter is included in pre-meet test. Okay students, so be ready and open your book and start learning it. Writing messages. Students, we should know what is message. Okay students, a message is a short note that you write when some important information has to be conveyed to someone. Okay? The message could be a personal note or an official one. मीन्स मैसेज जो होता है एक शॉर्ट नोट होता है जिसको आप किसी इम्पोर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन को कन्वे करने के लिए लिखते हो। मैसेज हो पर्सनल नोट हो सकता है बच्चों या ऑफिशियल हो सकता है। लीविंग अ मैसेज इज स्पेशली यूजफुल व्हेन यू रिसीव टेलीफोन कॉल्स। यूजुअली व्हेन द पर्सन कंसर्न्ड इज नॉट अवेलेबल, द इंफॉर्मेशन इज गिवन टू अ थर्ड पर्सन। दिस person writes down the message and gives it to the person concerned. When writing a message, remember these points. Start by drawing a box. Students, first of all, you should draw a box. Write the word message in capital letters at the center of the first line. Mention the time and date when the message is written. There is no need to write an address, subject, etc. Okay? Write a brief salutation as mother or dear mother. Write only the important points. Do not add anything on your own. These points should include who called, when, what was said, instructions if any. The person who is writing the message must write his name at the end of the message. Be brief and do not add any details. The word limit for a message is usually 50. This is a format for message writing, students. Okay. First of all, we draw a box and in the center of the first line we write message in capital letter, then write date, then time, then salutation. Okay, then the body of the message, who phoned, what they want to convey, what the reader must do, and at the end writer's name. Okay, some sample messages. The following is a telephone conversation between Ritika and Dharm. He wants to talk to Mishra, but she is not at home. As Ritika, write a message for Mishra in 50 words. Okay? ये जो कन्वर्सेशन है बच्चों टेलीफोन पर रितिका और धर्म के बीच है। रितिका जो है मीसा से बात करना चाहती है लेकिन मीसा घर पर नहीं है। आप रितिका बन करके आपको ठीक है मीसा के लिए एक मैसेज राइट करना है। उसमें वर्ड लिमिट 50 वर्ड्स का होगा। कन्वर्सेशन देख लो स्टूडेंट्स। रितिका, हेलो। धर्म, हेलो, कुड आई स्पीक टू मीसा प्लीज। रितिका बोलती है, आई एम अफ्रेड मीसा इज नॉट एट होम, वुड यू लाइक टू लीव अ मैसेज फॉर हर। धर्म, यस, प्लीज टेल हर दैट आई हैव बुक्ड her seat for Chandigarh by Shatabdi Express chair car for the 15th of February. Her seat number is 45 and the coach number is C2. The train leaves at 7 a.m. and reaches at 11 a.m. Ask her to meet me at New Delhi railway station at 6:30 a.m. sharp. So we can go together. I have the tickets. Ritika. Don't worry. I will convey the message and ask her to call you back. Dharma. Thanks.
Good morning, Hardik.
Here is students, the date is written, okay, 13 February, 10 a.m. time, and then salutation, Nisa, okay. Dharm rang up to say that he has got tickets for Chandigarh by Shatabdi Express for 15th February. Your seat number is 45 in the seat 2. The train leaves at 7 a.m. and reaches at 11 a.m. He wants you to meet him at the New Delhi railway station at 4:30 a.m. sharp. Please call him and confirm. Ritika. Okay? So this is the format of message. Okay? Another sample of message is the following is a conversation between Mr. Gupta and Mrs. Tandon. Mrs. Tandon wants to convey that she cannot keep her appointment with the manager at 3 p.m. and wants one the next day. Write the message in 50 words. Mr. Gupta. Hello, Mrs. Tandon. My name is Aruna Tandon. Could I speak to the manager, please? Mr. Gupta. Sorry, the manager is attending a meeting. I am his PA speaking. Would you like to leave a message? Mrs. Tandon. Would you please tell him that I will not be able to come to his office at 3 p.m. as planned. I am the manager of Delhi Cloth Mill. I will come tomorrow at 3 p.m. if it suits him. Please ask him to confirm. Mr. Gupta, thank you, ma'am. I will convey your message. The simple message is as first of all, write the message in the first center in capital letter, then write the date as Monday 10 February, then time 8 a.m. and then salutation, sir. Okay? Mrs. Tandon, the manager of Delhi Cloth Mill, rang up to say that she will be unable to come today at 3 p.m. as planned. She will come at 3 p.m. tomorrow if it suits you. Kindly inform by phone. The number is 25271372. PK Gupta. Okay? Now students, there are some exercise for you to do. This is a telephone conversation between Suresh and Rekha. Rekha wants to inform Ajay about his mother's illness, but Ajay is not at his seat, so Rekha sends him a message through Suresh. Write the message in 50 words. Sorry students,